Hi, Mrs. Cleary.
Oh, there you are.
Look at all that.
You ready to go? We're headed up to Hanson Dam to watch the meteor shower.
There's a lot of interest in astronomy for a guy who got a C-.
I believe my friend Wendy is staying in with us tonight.
Your mom wants to teach me how to decoupage. She's amazing and so crafty.
She's definitely crafty.
Seems a shame to miss the Presidius Maximus tonight. I'll go with you, buddy.
During the day, my parents were fine with us kids wandering the streets like feral cats. It was the 70s, and there were a lot of us. But at night, they couldn't sleep until all of us were home, in absolutely no danger of being out having any fun.